out to 7th Avenue. He's going to go back north on 7th Avenue.
10-4 north on 7th Ave.
So we're heading back towards the 17th Street overpass. He'll either turn back off or he might head up towards Highway 200. There's no other traffic at this stop.
10-4 17th Street on the overpass. No traffic this time.
Highway 200, going over Highway 200, continuing northbound southwest 10th Avenue.
Ten-4 northbound southwest 10th Ave.
No other traffic. Westbound southwest 3rd Street. Put up running okay.
10-4.
Crossing over MLK. Driver's bailing.
10-4 driver bailing.
Sheriff's Office K9, you're under arrest! You're under release of dog! Pocket! 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 Show me your hand! Pocket that man, buddy! Show me your hands! Let me see your hand! Show me your hand! Show me your hands! The sooner you show me your hands, the sooner I take the dog off! Let me see your right hand! Alright, stay over! Stay over, roll over on your stomach! Stay on your stomach! Give me your right hand! Give me your right hand behind your back! I'm not showing you let him go! Get him off, please! Don't fight! As soon as I get your handcuffs, as soon as the dog goes off, okay? As soon as I get your handcuffs, as soon as the dog comes off, okay? Hold on, buddy, hold on! Hold on! Hold on! Just sit tight, hold on a second. Kilo 5420, Marion 1015 on the driver, medics reference dog bite.
Numerical 1621. Here, 1 Marion K9, looks like they're bringing the 1015 northbound back towards the vehicle.
Civic.
Good, 6400 block of Southeast Baseline Road, quarter 28, Lima.